Members First Platinum Secured Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? If you have ever been denied for a credit card, or felt like your credit history is holding you back from better financial opportunities, you are not alone. Most people get this wrong, but here is why. They think rebuilding credit is slow, painful, and complicated. In reality, with the right tools, it can be steady, predictable, and surprisingly empowering. Today, you are going to discover the surprising truth about the Members First Platinum Secured Card and whether it truly deserves your attention in 2025. This card is not flashy. It does not promise luxury travel, premium lounges, or piles of reward points. What it promises is something far more important for many people: a second chance, a clean slate, a practical way to rebuild your financial reputation. So let's break it down, step by step, and see if this card is worth it or should be left behind. First, let's talk about what a secured card really is. A secured credit card requires you to provide a refundable security deposit. That deposit usually becomes your credit limit. If you deposit $500, your credit limit is typically $500. This deposit protects the lender in case you fail to pay your bill. But for you, the card still works just like a regular credit card. You use it, you get a statement, you pay the balance, and your activity is reported to the credit bureaus. This reporting is what allows you to rebuild your credit over time. Now let's look specifically at the Members First Platinum Secured Card. This card is issued by Members First Credit Union and is designed for people with limited, damaged, or no credit history. Approval is much more accessible than traditional unsecured cards. Instead of relying heavily on your credit score, the bank focuses on your deposit. The application process is straightforward. You provide your deposit, you get your card, and you begin using it responsibly. Now let's talk about interest rates. Like most secured cards, the interest rate on the Members First Platinum Secured Card is higher than what you would see on premium cards. This is not a card you want to carry a balance on. The key to success here is paying your full statement balance every month. When you do that, you avoid interest completely and use the card purely as a credit building tool. Now let's talk about fees. One of the biggest advantages of this card is that it is structured to be affordable. Many secured cards on the market charge high annual fees and even monthly maintenance fees. The Members First Platinum Secured Card is far more reasonable. This makes it easier to keep long-term without feeling like you are paying a penalty just to rebuild your credit. Now let's talk about reporting. This card reports to the major credit bureaus. This is critical. Without reporting, your responsible usage would not help your credit score. With consistent on-time payments, your credit history can start to show positive patterns within just a few months. Now let's talk about how quickly you can see results. Most people begin to notice changes in their credit profile within 3 to 6 months of responsible use. This does not mean you will suddenly have perfect credit, but you may start to qualify for better offers, lower interest rates, and even unsecured cards in the future. Now let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine you deposit $300 and receive a $300 credit limit. You use your card to pay for small everyday purchases like gas, groceries, and streaming subscriptions. You keep your balance low, ideally under 30% of your credit limit. That means keeping your balance under $90 at most. Every month, you pay your balance in full and on time. After several months, your credit report shows consistent positive activity. Your credit utilization remains low. Your payment history is perfect. This combination is extremely powerful for building credit. Now let's talk about graduation. Some secured cards offer a clear path to upgrading to an unsecured card and getting your deposit back, while the Members First Platinum Secured Card does not guarantee automatic graduation. Many cardholders find that after demonstrating responsible use, they can qualify for unsecured credit either with the same institution or elsewhere. Now let's talk about what this card is not. This card is not for earning rewards. It does not offer cashback, travel points, or bonus categories. Its entire purpose is credit building. It is also not for carrying balances. Carrying a balance will lead to interest charges and can slow your credit progress. Now let's answer the big question. Is the Members First Platinum Secured Card worth it in 2025? For someone who needs to rebuild or establish credit, this card is absolutely worth it. It is simple, affordable, reports to the credit bureaus, and offers a realistic path toward better financial opportunities. If you already have strong credit and are looking for rewards, this card is not for you. But if you are in the rebuilding phase, this card can be one of the most important financial tools in your wallet. Here is your final takeaway. Credit is not built overnight. It is built with consistency, patience, and the right tools. The Members First Platinum Secured Card provides a clean, simple, and effective way to rebuild your financial foundation in 2025. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who is working on their financial comeback, because the right first step can change everything.